One day, me and my wife want to decide who will wash the dishes after lunch. She proposed that we should toss a coin. But you already win 5 times in a row. That coin seems on your side, I said. You have a 50% to win. You already lost 5 times, so today you are more likely to win. Really? Well, to answer it, please let me introduce the second pillar of statistic and probability. Independent variable. A variable can be an object, event, idea, feeling, time period, or any other type of category you are trying to measure. Therefore, an independent variable is a variable that stands alone and isn't changed by the other variables you are trying to measure. For example, whether tomorrow is raining or not has nothing to do with what you eat tonight. So whether tomorrow is raining and what you eat tonight are independent variables. Raining or not tomorrow has nothing to do with what you eat tonight. On the other hand, the dependent variable is something that depends on other facts. How is the Big Apple depends on you water the tree on time. For the random events, we consider they are either independent or dependent. In the statistic and probability world, the random event only has these 2 states, nothing in between. So, how to recognize independent variable sounds easy. Not really. Let me tell you a true story. One day, John opened an egg. Double yolks. What a surprise. Then he opened another one. Double yolks again. Then another and another. Until he finished the box and realized they are all rare double yolks egg. Then he told this story to everyone he met, and the other day, it on the news. Family find 10 double yolks in one box at a staggering odds of non-kneeling to 1. Well, the odds of finding one of these eggs are about 1,000 to 1. So theoretically, the odds on finding 10 in a row is non-kneeling to 1. Let me write it down. 1 followed by 30 zeros. I know it's hard to have a feeling of that big number. Let me put it that way. If you can open an egg in 1 second, and this event, which he opened 10 double yolks egg in a row, happens once, this many years. And according to NASA, our universe is about 13.8 billion years old. So this is truly a staggering odds. No wonder John did a research online about what double yolks mean. Part of his research online revealed that these eggs can be a sign of either good luck or bad luck. So he decided to buy an extra lottery ticket that day. Okay, let's calm down and rethink, is that true like the news said, staggering odds of no kneeling to 1? Actually, it is not. You know, similar things happened before. Okay, that is confusing. Why our conclusion doesn't match the reality? Remember, we said that finding one of double yolks is about 1,000 to 1. That seems very reasonable. Then we multiply the numbers because we assume that the event of finding a double yolk egg is independent. That's where we get it wrong. The truth is, younger hens are more likely to lay double yolks egg, and same age group chickens stay together in the hennery. And the supermarket sells similar eggs together. There is a number on the box, right? Size 6, size 8. So once you find a double yolks egg, then there will be a large chance you are going to find the next one is double yolks too. They are not an independent event at all. See, find out whether events are independent or not. It's not that easy. So be careful. If we get it wrong, it could be wildly wrong like the ad example. Back to the question we asked at the beginning. First, the result of toss a coin is an independent event. So no matter how many times I lost before, This time, I still have 50% chance to win. Second, only about 3% chance to lose 5 times in a row. I have a feeling there's something unusual about that coin, but I won't say that to my wife. That day, I tossed the coin and then happily washed the dishes. Just Google flipping coin, and you will get a coin flipping tool. If this tool can generate random result, well, if you watched my video randomness, I think you know the answer. I'm always here at your service. See you in the next one.